Hello friends, I am Mrs. Shweta Shailendra Pandare, Assistant Teacher, Vidyapeeth High School, Kolhapur. Chapter 4, Effects of Electric Current. Solve the following examples. Example number 1. Heat energy is being produced in a resistance in a circuit at the rate of 100 watt. The current of 3 ampere is flowing in the circuit. What must be the value of resistance? Hence, what is given? Given that P is equal to 100 watt. Then current, that is I, is equal to 3 ampere and R is to be find out. Hence, see the formula for this. P is equal to V into I. That equation we are studying. But by Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Hence, we put this value in this equation. P is equal to I into R into I. P is equal to I square R and R is equal to P by I square. Hence, we use this formula for finding the value of R or resistance. Let's fill the prices in this formula. P is equal to 100 watt. I square, I is equal to 3A square is equal to 100 divided by 9. Hence, 9 1 is 9, again 9 1 is, then 0.1, 9 1 and 9 1. Hence, R is equal to 11.11, that is watt and ampere ohm. So this is 11.11 ohm. Example number 2. Two tungsten bulbs of wattage 100 watt and 60 watt power work on 220 volt potential difference if they are connected in parallel, that is a series. How much current will be flow in the main conductor? Let's see what is the given. First, given, that is two bulbs. Hence, power of first bulb, that is P1, is equal to 100 watt. P2, that is power of second bulb, that is 60 watt, and 220 volt, that is the potential difference. Hence, V is equal to 220 volt. And we find out the value of how much current, that is I is equal to find out. Hence, we are using again the formula, that is P is equal to V into I. So, we find out the price of this I. Hence, formula is get changed as like this. I is equal to P upon V. So, current from the first bulb, that is I1, is equal to P1 upon V, and into current in the second that conductor, that is P2 upon V. But current in the main conductor, that these are connected in the parallel. Hence, I, that is the current in main conductor, is equal to I1 plus I2. This is a parallel connection. Let fill the value of this I1 and I2, then we get the current. I is equal to I1, that is P1 upon V plus P2 upon V is equal to, that P1 is equal to 100 watt, V is equal to 220 volt plus 60 watt divided by 220 volt, then is equal to 160 watt upon 220 volt. 0, 0, 11, 8, again 8 by 11 divided by volt, and is equal to 0.727 ampere, and this is nearly about that I is equal to 0.73 ampere. So this is the current that is flowing in the main conductor. Example number 3. Who will spend more electrical energy? 5 watt TV set in 30 minutes or 600 watt heater in 20 minutes. So see the given data, that again we here P1, that is the power of this the TV set, hence that is a 500 watt. In time, that for TV set, that is time is T1, TV set is for 30 minutes. We convert this minute into second, hence 30 into 60 is equal to 1800 seconds. This is the information about the TV set. Then information TV set, then heater P2 is equal to 600 watt, and this is for 20 minutes is equal to, again we are converting into the second, 60 second is equal to 1200 second. So this is the total information, and we are find out that is the electrical energy. Who spend that is the more electrical energy, that TV set or the heater. Hence electrical energy spent is equal to, that is power into time, P into T. So first for the TV set is equal to that P1 into T1 is equal to P1 500 watt into time, that is 1800 second. Make a multiplication, that 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 8s are 40, 4 and 5, that is 9. Watt into second, that is 1 2 3 4 5, hence 9 into 10 raised to 5 watt into second, that is the joule. Hence total electrical energy for this TV set is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 5 joule. Then second, that is for the heater is equal to P2 into T2. What is P2? That 600 watt into 1200 second. Make multiplication, 1 2 3 4 4 6 2s are 12 and 6 1 and here is 7. 1 2 3 4 and 1, hence 7.2 into 10 raised to 5. Again watt into second is equal to joule. Hence let's see here that the TV set spent 9 into 10 raised to 5 joule and that heater spent 7.2 into 10 raised to 5 joule. Hence TV set spent more electrical energy than heater. Example number 4. A electric iron of 1100 watt is operated for 2 hours daily. What will be the electrical consumption expense for that in the month of April? There is a information, the electric company charges ₹5 per unit of energy. So see here what is the given. P is equal to, that is the power of iron, P is equal to 1100 watt. Then we operate for 2 hours daily in the month of April. Hence that is the time 2 hours, but we use daily 2 hours in the month of April, and hence the days, total days in month April, that is the 30 days, hence is equal to, we are use these 60 hours. Okay, then 5 rupees per unit of the energy expense. Hence net, that is N, is equal to P into T divided by that 1000 watt into hour per unit. Let fill the prices here. P into T (1,100) watt into time, that is 60 hour divided by that 1000 watt hour in, that is unit. 1 2 1 2 1 1 here, and 11 into 6, that is 66 unit. But the electrical consumption expense is equal to, that is this is unit, and unit having that charges ₹5 per unit. Hence 66 units into 5, that is rupees, is equal to ₹330. Hence, that is the electrical consumption expense for that in the month of April is ₹330.